from Philly. How do you feel right now? If you're sad, I understand. That wasn't like, that was not my go-to mood booster, but I think my favorite thing about these shows have been somehow even the sad songs feel like an exciting energy and a happier energy than the headspace I was in when I wrote them. I think that's what I love about music so much is it's like words change over time. One day they mean one thing and then 2 years later they mean something completely different and new, and that's why you can go back to songs and it takes you to an exact moment or place in your life and you can revisit how much you've grown as a person and how the way that you felt in that situation then you would feel really differently now. And I think I'm very, very lucky that growing up in Pennsylvania, I kind of lived a little outside the city, so there was a lot of like open space and fields and room to use my imagination and really room to play. And that's kind of how I started writing songs, was I was bored and I was like 10 and I was homeschooled, which, oh my god, it's like the worst combination of things possible, but the best, I guess, if you want to start writing songs. So I started writing songs, and then the more I was using my imagination, you know, I love writing songs about things that I could feel or could experience, but this album allowed me to finally write about very specific scenarios in my life that I have experienced that are very personal to me. And I feel really lucky that you guys listen to it and, you know, and that you guys have made these songs your own, because, oh, I love you too, so much. Literally couldn't be here without you guys. And there was this one night where I was in the park on a seesaw. I was with someone that I really cared about, but I knew I shouldn't have been with. And I thought so many things, you know, conflicting emotions, and we both got a tornado warning on our phones. And I was like, well damn, if that ain't a sign, literally a sign, I don't know what is. And I was like, oh, I really hope I can write a song about this. It's super specific though. I wonder if anybody else here has lied to their therapist too. I don't recommend it, but it's so fun to sing in this song. Will you do it with me?